Hi, I'm Mike Lycap, and I'm an instructor at Montgomery County Community College. And today we're here on the stage of beautiful Whites Road Park up in Lansdale. And we're here with my live sound intern class, part of the SRT, Sound Recording Technology program at the college. And all summer I have several students interning and learning the machinations and all the ins and outs of running live sound and concerts and working around a stage, and it's been a lot of fun.
What I learned most in this internship was just how to really work right on the spot for being prepared for pretty much anything on stage, whether it be weather or a cable doesn't work. It's just you learn how to be really on top of everything and just keep things in motion.
The thing I've probably learned the most and just really stuck out the most is just the signal flow of the entire event, and not just seeing a bunch of wires and seeing what goes where and why it does that. So I'd say that's probably the most important thing I've learned.
The one thing I've most learned about this internship is keeping on top of everything, troubleshooting, replacing cables if it breaks, and putting tarps over if it rains in the middle of a show.
I've definitely learned quite a lot. I think this is probably the best type of experience I'm going to get, like real world experience, a lot of troubleshooting, a lot of last second decisions. We've had a couple of rain spots come in in the middle of our set, and we've had to scramble to get everything together before everything goes out. So it's tough, but that's probably the best part of it.
The live sound class is a great way to learn practical methods of working with audio equipment, musical equipment, bands, working your way around the stage, and it will be a great help to those who are taking the recording classes as well and learning that. The two disciplines go hand in hand, so it's a good thing to have both of those things under your belt. For more information, check out the live sound class within the SRT program brochure. So just check that out. And you'll have a lot of fun. We bring live bands in during the year. We do all kinds of crazy stuff in the class you won't do in the recording studio, believe me. So it's a lot of fun, so check it out.